Hey folks, welcome back to Vidya's Vegetarian Kitchen. Today I'm going to share two simple recipes with rose syrup, and both are no-cook recipes. One is going to be rose lassi and the other one is going to be rose kulfi. Come, let's get started right away. So first let's make the no-cook rose kulfi. I'm adding 1 can, 12 ounce can of evaporated milk and half cup of sweet condensed milk. You can adjust it according to your sweet preference, and quarter cup of rose syrup. It's just a dump and go kind of recipe. We are going to add everything and blend everything. And 1/8 teaspoon of rose essence. This is optional, but it gives a nice refreshing flavor. I'm just going to blend everything together and pour them into the popsicle molds, and that's it folks. It's as simple as that. Just blend everything and pour it in your favorite molds and freeze. I'm going to add in the silicone cup molds also, and yeah, I'm going to freeze it overnight. Here it is. As always, I soak it in water, and rose kulfi is ready. Now let's make the rose lassi. I took 9 lychees of this size. So I basically peeled the skin and removed the seeds. It's approximately 100 grams. And 2 tablespoons of sugar. My lychees weren't that sweet, so I'm adding sugar, but you can adjust it according to the sweetness of the fruit. And I'm adding 1.5 cups of yogurt. Basically, I'm just adding everything directly into my blender. And half cup of water. And 1 tablespoon of rose syrup. The combination of rose syrup and lychee is really amazing. Do give it a try, folks. And I'm just gonna blend everything together, and here it is. That's it. The rose lassi is also ready. Just dump everything and blend. That's about it. And you can add a little bit more rose syrup on top. You can drizzle on top and serve it. And that's it. Enjoy. Do give this rose lassi and rose kulfi a try and let me know your thoughts and feedback, and I'll see you soon next week with a new recipe. Thank you. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, do subscribe, and see you soon. Thank you.